Do you dream a lot to change your life? If yes, so where you are standing, the way starts from there. Today, you have to decide whether to cross the way or wait. Not everyone has all the things by birth, but if they want, they can have a lot. This world is bigger than we think. Greetings, you are all very welcome. I would like to request all of you to watch this video completely, which has the potential to make a difference in the quality of our life. Today, I am going to share with you such an option which is going to increase your current income, money and prosperity. And yes, you have never heard about it before. Yes, I am talking about UlipIndia.com, an e-commerce company, which is completely Indian and selling its products online all over India, like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, etc. Now, you may think that when there are already many e-commerce companies, traditional shops, then what is the need to know and hear about this new company? Here, I want to tell you that UlipIndia.com is completely different from all other e-commerce companies. This company will provide you unimaginable benefits in many ways, which will lead you towards overall prosperity. As it is clear from the name of this company, Unity, Leadership, Income and Prosperity. UlipIndia.com includes three main elements of the market are e-commerce, affiliate marketing and network including affiliate marketing. And it has given very attractive offers to its customers. First, e-commerce. We are all familiar with this and also we shop from many e-commerce sites. Second is affiliate marketing. Perhaps you all must also know about this program, which is available in many e-commerce companies like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. It is very simple as you give info about a good product to the people, and if someone buys that product from your reference, then you get fixed commission. This is a new concept. Presently, people in all over the world are earning extra income from this option. Third is network marketing. You all will also know this technique. Instead of doing things alone, do it together with people and share the profit obtained. It means more profit in teamwork and less effort. Let's see how UlipIndia.com works. I am happy to share that UlipIndia.com has created a new concept combining three core elements of the market. This technique can be understood as CAN concept. C means that the customer means all those people who make purchases through some e-commerce site. Then affiliate marketing professional, that is all those people who share information about a good product by connecting to some e-commerce site, and if someone buys product from their reference, so they get the prescribed commission. These are called AMPs. Next, network affiliate marketing professional. All those people who do this work by making team with link sharing of products like AMPs. These are called NAMPs. On our website, you can join in any of the three forms: customer, AMP and NAMP, or all three together. And you can also change your linking options whenever you want. Through this technology, every person who will connect with UlipIndia.com will earn profit both directly and indirectly, and that profit has no upper limit, which completely depends on your ability. Now, without asking many questions running in your mind, I will calmly answer that there is no fee to join UlipIndia.com. No mandatory purchase, investment is zero, no money deposit, there is no educational qualification, no door-to-door sales and no promotion of the company. Whether you are associated as a customer, whether AMP or NAMP. But yes, there is no limit on earning. It totally depends on your ability, networking, and your skills. Now, if you want to join ulipindia.com, then you would also like to know what similar we will get on this platform. So, the answer is that here we will get all the things like fashion, cosmetic, grocery, sports, electronic, etc., which we need in our daily life. Our products are made in India, local, organic, and all those things will be available. But no such products will be found on this platform which is related to intoxication, harms human, animal, bird, or environment, or is hurting the feeling of our country and patriotism. Suppose you join us as a customer, then you can buy any product based on your requirement and quality. You will get the benefit of whatever discount is going on our product. I would like to make one thing more clear, that our company does not sell its own products. Here all the products are listed by various vendors, suppliers who come from all over India. You have your option to buy the goods of any manufactured or brand. As a customer, you will not get any benefit other than the ongoing discounts on our products. You have to join us as EMP or NAMP for additional benefits. If you want, you can also stay connected with us by becoming a customer. Now, we will talk about AMP, means Affiliate Marketing Professional. If a person wants to earn extra income with his current career or business, then he can join us with the option of AMP. Anyone of 21 years of age or above can register himself as an AMP. After registration, you will get a sponsor code from the company. Now, if you will share the link of any product available on this platform on your social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, blog, website, WhatsApp, and if from your sent link, if someone makes a purchase with us or registers on our website, then you will get the prescribed commission and he will automatically become a member of your Team 01. You can add people to your team without even sharing the link. You can give your sponsor code orally and people can directly register with that sponsor code on our website ulipindia.com. You can make any person a member of your team from anywhere. He would be Indian or NRI or from anywhere. Just don't forget to share your sponsor code. The main thing that you have to add the customer only once. As long as your team members keep sharing, purchasing, you will get sales commission whether you buy or not. And you can earn from thousands to lakhs. And you will not get this benefit anywhere else. And yes, you don't need your website to share the link, nor YouTube, nor any hassle to sell or submit stuff. One phone call is enough to add someone to your team. You will also be given marketing training by company and whatever you need for marketing will be provided by the company. YouTuber, blogger, influencer, student, housewife, businessman, retired employee, government employee, this is a golden opportunity for all of you. You can earn as much as you want from your marketing skills and also you can see your progress on your dashboard. How much purchase people from your team did or how much your sales commission, everything will be transparent. Before telling you how much you will get benefit as an AMP, I want to tell you the pricing system of our company, which will be the same for all customers, AMPs and NAMPs. Every product will be available with MRP, discount, PV and SV on our platform of ulipindia.com. PV is called point value and SV is called sales value. Both will be predefined and will be vary from product to product. The price will be determined on the basis of margins and commission. Let us see how to calculate the sales commission of an NMP, which is very important to understand. Suppose Anil joined ulippindia.com as AMP and added 10 members to his team 01. Out of them, 8 people bought different products which were of different point values. Suppose the point value of all of the team in the month of January is 1000. 100% of the point value at the end of the month, that is rupees 1000, sales commission will be given to Anil by company. For an AMP, isn't it an attractive offer? And remember, it is not mandatory for Anil to buy anything. His sales commission depends on the team's purchase. To know more about the AMP program, all of you can kindly see our volume 2. Its link is given here on the screen. You will find more information on our website or YouTube channel. Now, let's talk about the NAMP program. It is also very easy to understand. If you want to join ulippindia.com for more income than AMP, so here NAMP is the best option for you. To become a NAMP, you have to be a customer and an AMP. As an AMP, encourage those in your team to add more people to their team and encourage those new members to add more people in their team. This way, a network will be created under you with your guidelines. With building a network, you will become a NAMP, means Network Affiliate Marketing Professional. After becoming a NAMP, you will get the benefit of sales commission, sales bonus, wealth and health fund, rank and awards will be available there. And you will have a chance for leadership. Suppose Anil, who is a NAMP, shared the link of ulippindia.com or any products available on this platform on his social media. If someone wanted to buy his product and someone wanted to join ulippindia.com as an AMP, then Anil guided him to become an AMP in his team. Just like that new member added other members to their team as AMPs. In this way, customers and AMPs together created a ladder network. In this way, Anil's team was formed from 01 to 09. Let's calculate the sales commission or sales bonus of NAMPs. See, suppose Anil's team 01 bought 1000 point value products in a month. Then the company gives 100% profit of 1000 rupees. That is full 1000 rupees to Anil at the end of the month. Now team 2 bought point value products worth rupees 2000. Here Anil will get 10% commission of 2000 rupees. That is 200 rupees in the end of the month. Now, sales value of the product Team 3 bought was 2500 rupees and here Anil will get the bonus of 10%, that is 250 rupees. Sales value of Team 4 is 5000 rupees. So here Anil will get a bonus of 5%, that is 250 rupees. Sales value of Team 5 is 12,000 rupees. Then here Anil will get a bonus of 600, that means 5% of 12,000 rupees. Now sales value of Team 6 is 25,000. So here Anil gets 5% of this amount, that is 1,250 rupees. Sales value of Team 7 is 75,000 and Anil will get 3,750 rupees. Now, Team 8 has sales value about 2 lakhs. So here, commission of the Anil will be 10,000 rupees. The sales value of team 9 is 5 lakh. So here Anil will get 25,000 rupees. That means if we calculate its total, so here is 42,300 rupees. And this is the salary of only 1 month. If you want, you can earn more. It totally depends to you. The bigger the team, the greater the profit. Now we can see a NAMP can earn up to 25% more than an AMP. You can earn from 3 lakhs to 10 lakhs. Now here is the point to be noted that you don't need to make any purchases for sales commission from team 01. But to get the sales bonus from team 02 to 03, you must purchase products of at least 100 point value in the month. And for the sales bonus from team 02 to team 06, you have to buy products worth 200 points in that month. Now for the sales bonus from team 02 to 09, you will have to buy products worth 400 point value in that month. If you don't make purchases equal to the specified point value, you will lose the sales bonus. But if you buy products of point value more than the fixed point value of the month, then according to the remaining point value, you can also take advantage of sales bonus in the next month. Let us now see the advantage of the network. Here we will talk about Ravi, which is a NAMP. Ravi's team consists of 9 lines and connects at least 3 people with him. Team members can be either AMP or NAMP. Every member makes 100 point value and 250 sales value purchases in a month. Now let's see the benefit of Ravi. Ravi added 3 people in his team. Those 3 people again made a team of 3 people and becomes 9 members. If those 9 members made a team of 3 people, then the members would be 27. Those 27 people then added all 3 with themselves, then they become members of 81. They 81 added more 3 people in their team, then they become 243 members. These members added another 3 members, then team becomes 729. Those people added again 2, then team 7 become 2187 members. Now these members added 3 another members in their team, and the team 8 becomes 6561 members. And these members added again people in their team, so members are here now 19,683. Now we know that every team together has bought products of 100 point value and 250 sales value. Now we calculate sales bonus and sales commission of Ravi. There are 3 members in team 1. Then 3 into 100 point value equal to 300 point value. That means the sales commission is 300 rupees of the month. In team 2, members are 9. So 9 into 250 sales value equal to 2250 sales value, and Ravi will get 10% of this sales value, that is 225 rupees. In team 3, members are 27. So 27 into 250 sales value, that means equal to 6,750 sales value, and then Ravi will get 10% of this sales value, that is 675 rupees. In team 4, members are 81. 81 into 250 sales value equal to 20,250 sales value. Then Ravi will get 5% of this sales value, that is 1012.50 rupees sales value. In team 5, members are 243 and 243 into 250 sales value, that means equal to 60,750 sales value, and Ravi will get 5% of this sales value, that means 3037.50 rupees. In team 6, there are members 729. That means 729 into 250 sales value, then equal to 1,82,250 sales value, and Ravi will get 5% of this sales value, that is 9,112.50 paisa. In team 7, members are 2,187 and 2,187 into 250 sales value equal to 5,46,750 sales value, and Anil will get 5% of this sales value, that is 27,337.50 paisa. In team 8, we have members 6,561 into 250 SV, that means then total sales value is 16,40,250, and Ravi will get 5% of the sales value, that means 82,012.50 paisa. And now in team 9, members are 19,683 and into 250 sales value. Now total sales value is 49,20,750, and Ravi will get 5% of this sales value, that is 2,46,037.50 paisa sales value. And if we see the income in the end of the month, then it is total 3,69,750 rupees. This is only 1 month's income, and only after adding 3 people with only 9 downlines. Wow! If the number of the members in the team keeps increasing, then the income will automatically increase. That is why it is better to create a network of teams than adding more members to Team 01. I am sure that now you must have understood the calculation and benefits of AMPs and NAMPs. It is very attractive and beneficial techniques. Now let's talk about rank and awards, which are only for NAMPs. Gift and awards will also be given by the company on annual basis. The first rank is Millionaire from Team 01 to Team 09, the achiever of 10 lakh sales value. Second rank is Multi-Millionaire, the achiever of 1 crore rupees from Team 01 to 09. The third rank is Billionaire, achiever of 100 crore sales value from Team 01 to Team 09. Now, let's see the status of the leaders. Whoever will meet the set standard of NMPs, Ulipendia.com will get a chance of leadership on a yearly basis. There will be 4 categories of leaders, which are only for NAMPs. District Leader, highest sales value achiever in the district. Second is State Leader, highest sales value achiever in the state. Third is Zonal Leader, highest sales value achiever in the zone. And last is National Leader, highest sales value achiever in the nation. Now I would like to tell that district, street, zone, whatever you have chosen, while joining the company, the same standard will be considered while becoming the leader. But your team member can be from anywhere. The box of attractive offers is still open. Further, there is still a lot left to do. Now comes the turn of very important and attractive benefits, wealth and health fund, which is only for NAMPs. The first fund is life insurance fund. Company will give you 3% of your total income in the form of this fund. Second is health insurance fund. Company will give you 3% of your total income in the form of this fund. The third is pension scheme fund. Company will give you 20% of your total income in the form of this fund. Fourth is mutual fund investment. Company will give you 20% of your total income in the form of this fund. Fifth is gold investment fund. Company will give you 10% of your total income in the form of this fund. Sixth is PPF investment fund. Company will give you 2% of your total income in the form of this fund. Seventh is bank FD fund. Company will give you 5% of your total income in the form of this fund. Eighth is education fund. Company will give you 5% of your total income in the form of this fund. Ninth is marriage fund. Company will give you 3% of your total income in the form of this fund. 10th is pregnancy care fund. Company will give you 1% of your total income in the form of this fund. 11th is vehicle fund. Company will give you 5% of your total income in the form of this fund. 12th is travel fund. Company will give you 15% of your total income in the form of this fund. Next, 13th is yoga fund. Company will give you 3% of your total income in the form of this fund. And the last 14th fund is Ayurvedic wellness fund. Company will give you 5% of your total income in the form of this fund. And all these funds and plans are annual. Now I show you how you can take advantage of these monthly and annual benefits very easily. And this technique is to add only 5 people. Here we will talk about NAMP Aparna. Suppose below Aparna there are 9 downlines. Every team member has to add at least 5 people with him. Suppose every member of the team will buy products of 100 point value and 250 sales value. The member of the team can be customer, AMP and NAMP. So here in team 1 there are 5 members. And if these 5 people form a team of 5 people again, then team 2 will have 25 members. Again, these 25 members will form team of 5 people. Then team 3 will have 125 members. These 125 people will add more 5 people. Then team 4 will have 625 members. And if these 625 people will add more 5 people with them, then team 5 will have 3125 members. The member will add again, so team 6 has 15,625 people. And these people will add again, so team 7 will have 78,125 members. And these members again add 5 members with them, so team 8 will have 3,90,625 members. And when these people will add 5 more people again with them. So Team 9 will have 19,53,125 members, only with 9 downlines. Now let's calculate sales commission and sales bonus of Aparna. In Team 1 we have 5 members. Multiplying by 100, then the total point value is 500. Here Aparna will get 100% of this point value, that is 500 sales commission. In Team 2 there are 25 members. Now 25 multiplying with 250 sales value, then equal to 6,250 sales value. Here Aparna will get 10% of 6,250 rupees, that is 625 rupees bonus. In Team 3 there are 125 members. 125 multiplying with 250 sales value is equal to 31,250 sales value. Here Aparna will get 10% of this sales value, that is 3,125 rupees as a bonus. In Team 4 we have 625 members. Multiplying with 250 SV is equal to 1,56,250 sales value. Here Aparna will get 5% of this sales value, that is 7,812.50 paise. In Team 5 we have 3,125 members. Multiplying with 250 sales value is equal to 7,81,250 sales value. Now Aparna will get 5% of this sales value, that is 39,062 rupees point 50 paise. In Team 6 members are 15,625. Multiplying with 250 sales value is equal to total is 39,06,250 sales value, and Aparna will get 5% of this sales value, that is 1,95,312 rupees point 50 paisa sales value. In Team 7 members are 78,125. Multiplying with 250 sales value, then equal to 1,95,31,250 sales value. Here Aparna will get 5% of this sales value, that is 9,76,562 rupees point 50 paisa as bonus. In Team 8 we have 3,90,625 members. Multiplying with 250 SV is equal to 9,76,56,250 sales value, and Aparna will get 5% of this sales value, that is 48,82,812 rupees point 50 paisa as sales bonus. In Team 9 we have 19,53,125 members. Multiplying with 250 sales value, 48,82,81,250 sales value, and Aparna will get 5% of this sales value, that is 2,44,14,062 rupees point 50 paisa as sales bonus. And if we see the final income of NAMP Aparna, so here we see 3,05,19,875 rupees, only with team of 5 and with 9 downlines. 3 crore 5 lakh 19,875 rupees. Oh, 4. The easy way to increase the team is that you can increase the team quickly by sharing your team's sponsor code with people. And yes, no publicity has to be spread, but people have to be informed about products, and please tell them attractive benefits too. Now here I would like to help you by telling some easy ways that how you can take advantage of a NAMP program. First, how to collect your point value every month. There is no need to make a separate budget for this. You need to do only this. That what goods you were buying from different stores or other e-commerce companies now buy from ulipindia.com. You just have to change the shopping location, not the budget. Buy low MRP and high point value products to limit your budget. Suppose this month you bought 1000 point value products. Then in the next month you can take advantage of the sales bonus without buying anything. And please don't forget to share your proof of purchase and income on your social media. And yes, don't forget to share your sponsor code also. Now we will know that what is the advantage of joining this company and how it is different from other companies. Good saving with discount for customer. Opportunity to buy products from local and made in India. Here, priority is given to organic and cruelty-free products on this platform. Such priority and benefits will not be found anywhere else. Now, let's see the advantage of AMPs. Whenever there is a purchase, there will be a sales commission. Link sharing will happen only once. And the income will be lifelong. There is no need of your website and blog or YouTube channel. Just share your benefits on your personal social media. Whereas other e-commerce sites give commission only when you share link every time. And there are many other invisible laws about which we don't even know. Everything is transparent on our ulipindia.com. Now let's see the advantage of NAMPs. There are very flexible options to join ulipindia.com. For customer AMP and NAMP, all products will be branded as well as local. A to Z daily need products. Preference to wealth building fund, which is mostly related to government. To sell something or buy something physically is not important. All new and well-known brands, open market platform for all, and especially anyone can list their products on our platform. The benefits will be shared with the customers' AMPs and NAMPs. There is neither flexibility nor so many facilities with other companies. And also there is no sales commission divided up to the level of the customer. Everything will be ready here. You just have to do networking. Whereas in other e-commerce companies, nothing is available on such easy terms. Perhaps many questions must have arrived in your mind. Let us try to understand them. Question first. Who can join ulipindia.com and what is the age limit to join? Answer is any Indian citizen who is above 21 years of the age can join ulipindia.com. Whether he is salaried, unemployed, self-employed, student, housewife or government employee. And for this any type of educational qualification is not required. Question second. What are the documents required for registration? Answer. As a customer, you are not required to submit any document other than name and address. AMP and NAMP will require PAN number, address proof and color photograph. Third question is ULIP a formally registered company? Answer. Yes, ulipindia.com is a private firm legally registered with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. There is tax registration with the Income Tax Department. The registration of GST is with the Sales Tax Department. It also has membership with many bodies. Question 4th. Is the ULIP attuned nationally certified? Yes, ULIP is an ISO 9001 2015 ISO 27001 certified with the International Organization for Standardization of Switzerland. Question 5th. Is the ULIP following the India and State DSC regulation? Answer. Yes, ULIP is following key guidelines including policies and plans in its business. No payment for recruitment. Payment only on sales of products. No joining fee. No instant get-rich guarantee. Product return policy. Grievance redressal mechanism. No bulk purchase norms, as well as company will provide digital contract delivery. Question 6th. What is PV? PV means point value, which can be different according to the category of each product. Products with higher MRP of A category will have higher point value, while D and E category products with lower MRP will have lower point value. Question 7th. What is SV? Answer. The sales value of products depend on its MRP. Higher MRP means higher sales value. Question 8th. How to calculate point value? Answer. Every product will already be on the website with point value. No need to calculate. Question 9th. How will the sales value be calculated? Answer. Every product will already be on the website with sales value. No need to calculate. Question 10th. How can I withdraw my payment amount? Answer. You log in your dashboard on your website. Check the payout balance. Click on the transfer button. Enter the amount and your amount will be transferred to your account. Question 11th. Do I have to pay cash to buy products every month? Answer. You can also shop with your debit card, credit card, net banking and your payout balance. Question 12th. Will the company make any deduction while making the payout? Answer. No, the company will not make any deductions from its side except as per government regulations. Question 13th. How long will my account last? Answer. After you have registered in ulipindia.com, your account will always work, but the profit you get depends on the purchase of the theme. Question 14th. Can I cancel my order? Answer. Yes, it can be, but the amount will be refunded after deducting the courier charges after shipping. Question 15th. Can I return the product after delivery? Answer. Yes, you can return the product without damage. If the quality of the product is bad, then the company will change the product for free. You can see the policy of cancel and return. Question 16th. If I have a NAMP account, do I need to buy items every month? Answer. You can buy the goods as per your choice from time to time or at once. For monthly profit, you can see the amount in your account and buy accordingly. Question 17th. Is NAMP required to buy goods in bulk or does it need to sold physically? Answer. No, these are not mandatory. Buy as per your wish and quality. You can buy up to the maximum point value to make a profit. Question 18th. Is it mandatory to do meeting or selling in the field? Answer. It is up to you. Nothing is mandatory. Yes, meeting and discussion will increase your chances of profit. Question 19th. Do I need my website as AMP or NAMP for affiliation? Answer. No. The company will give you the dashboard. From there, you can earn more profit by putting the link of the product on social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. Question 20th. What type of contract do we have to with ulipendia.com? Answer. As a customer, have to agree to all the terms and conditions. Refund and return policy and private policy. All this is available on our website. Apart from this, in the form of AMP and NAMP, you have to agree to the terms of affiliate marketing and network marketing. Payout status, monthly and yearly benefits, rules related to these as well. All contracts are valid for 1 year. The company may also change the rules every year. If you accept all the terms, you can stay connected. All contracts will be digital. Question 21st. How to calculate monthly profit? Answer. Monthly profit, Team 01 will get 100% sales commission of the total point value. Sales bonus will be awarded to the NAMPs, which will be from Team 02 to Team 09. You can earn from Rs 3 lakhs to Rs 10 lakhs. From 16th of previous month to 15th of current month will be considered as current period. Payment will be made on the last day of the current month. Question 22nd. How to calculate annual profit? Answer. Calculation of sales value from Team 01 to Team 09 for the Wealth and Health Fund of NMP will take place from January 1st to December 31st. Payment will be made in the second week of January. Question 23rd. How to calculate rank? For rank, you and your team total sales value of from 01 to 09 will be calculated. Suppose Anil joined on 1st January 2019. Suppose the rank is being prepared in January 2021. Then sales value will be calculated from January 1st, 2019 to December 2020. That is the first day of joining and the last day of the previous year. Question 24th. How to calculate the status of the leader? Answer. Suppose the status of leaders is being calculated in the second month of January 2021. So the company will calculate the sales value of that person and his team from 01 to 09 from 1st January 2020 to 31st December 2020. Now, if you still have any question, you can refer on our website to eligibility criteria for everything else. And in the beginning of the video, I told you that where you are standing, the path starts from there. And if you are watching this video till now, then let me tell you one thing, that you have reached the destination. Every work starts with very small thing, and this decision will change your life total 180 degree. Even before the construction of the Taj Mahal, only one brick would have been laid. Are you thinking to taking loan for business? Or you thinking about shining showroom? Then close your eyes for 10 seconds only and think that what is the disadvantage with ulipendia.com. There is no disadvantage in joining ulipendia.com. Where the investment is absolutely zero, then what will be the loss? All of you are getting the opportunity. Don't miss it. I'm not saying that you will become a millionaire in a beginning, but if you earn 50,000 sitting at your home, then what is wrong here? I'm sure that you will not let this golden opportunity pass by. Many people are joining ulipendia.com at this time. Many people are listing their products on our platform. The company assures that every purchase made on this platform will definitely benefit some AMP and NAMP. Your earning is totally in your hands. You will not get such a chance again. So, what are you waiting for? And what are you thinking? while sitting at home, take advantage of unity, leadership, income, prosperity, and increase your status in the society. UlipIndia.com sends best wishes for everyone. Come join us. We will wait for you. www.ulipindia.com. Thank you.